Throughout this question on chromatography, I'm going to pause so that you can stop the video, have a go yourself, and then check if you've got the right answers. So the question says, two students set up their chromatography practical as shown below. And on the next slide, the actual question is, the students have made two mistakes setting up the chromatography. Can you describe those two mistakes and explain why those mistakes are a problem? The first mistake is that the level of the solvent is above the start line, so that means the samples will wash off straight away. The second mistake is the start line is drawn with a pen, so the ink from the pen will dissolve in the solvent and move up the paper along with the samples. Question 2. An unknown food colouring X was tested along with some known colours. What conclusions can be made from the following chromatogram? So on this one, you would get your ruler and rule across and compare the heights. If any of the components in X have moved the same distance up the paper as any of the known colours, then we know we're talking about the same substance. So we can also say X is made from 3 different dyes because there's 3 spots as we move up the page. X is made of blue and yellow because there's a dot matching the same height as the blue and yellow that's come from the X. X doesn't contain red, and X is also made from one other colour as well as blue and yellow. If you're finding this video useful, please do give it a like with the like button. So question 3, a harmful food dye has an RF value of 0.84. The following food colouring was tested. First of all, work out the RF value of each component, and there's 2 marks for that. And then, is the food colouring safe to use? And explain your answer. There's 2 marks for that. So when we're working out the RF values, we need to remember the formula that it's the distance moved by the dye or the component divided by the distance moved by the solvent. So if we do it for the lowest component first of all, it doesn't matter what order you start in, the dye has moved 1.9 centimeters divided by how far the solvent's moved, which is 7 centimeters, and that comes to 0.27. If we do the same for the higher component, we get an RF value of 0.84. So that allows us now to answer question B. We can see that one of those components does match the RF value of the harmful food dye. So we would say no, it's not safe because one of the dyes is the harmful one as the RF value matches. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this. Thank you for watching.